Oregon Cash Flow Pro Quick Tip.
Hey folks, today's quick tip is rewards cards. Who needs them? In my opinion, regardless of where you're at in your journey towards financial freedom, I believe everybody should have a rewards card. Now there's very practical reasons for this. There are a lot of things out there that you can use a credit card for and pay the exact same amount of money as if you were using cash or if you were using a debit card. There's no difference. If that's the case, and you're using cash or you're using a debit card, which is the same as cash, something that doesn't get you any type of reward or cash back, you are losing ground. You're paying more for that product or that service than the person using a rewards card who can get 1%, 3%, 5% cash back or earn some other type of rewards that are the equivalent of cash to those people. As an example, let's say you spend $1,000 on a product and you pay cash, and your neighbor has a 5% cash back rewards card that he uses. He just got that exact same product for $950. Now, if both of you were going to try and then sell that product, his basis is $50 less than yours. So he's going to be able to sell it for lower than you can sell it and not have to worry about losing as much money. So just to be clear, using a rewards card can be very practical. It's just like using a coupon. You end up paying less for the product or service than you would have otherwise spent. So even if you are not a credit card person, you don't like using credit cards, we always recommend nobody carries a balance from month to month on their credit card unless it's a 0%. But there's very, very practical reasons for you to use it. And that money that you save can just help you on your journey to financial freedom. So I'm going to do a quick rundown on some of the rewards cards that you can find out there. We've got travel rewards, whether it's airline miles or hotel points. There's Uber rewards. There's 1% to 5% cash back. There's 0% interest periods. You can get 0% interest for 6 months or all the way up to 18 months that I've seen. So a lot of good opportunities there to borrow money at 0% interest and offset some interest you might be paying somewhere else. On top of that, there's no cost balance transfers that are available. So if you do have a higher interest debt and you can transfer it to a lower interest debt, then that can make a lot of sense. Even if you're transferring to a 0% card, if that cost to transfer is say 3% and you get 1 year of 0% interest, you can transfer a balance from anything that you're paying more than 3% on, and you're going to be in a better situation interest-wise. And then of course there's bonuses for spending a certain amount within a certain period of time. So some cards give you a huge bonus if you spend say $3,000 or $5,000 within the first 2 months or 3 months. So take a look at what's out there. There's a lot of groups out there you can join that can help you maximize the use of those rewards cards, and there's people that can help you along the way. So enjoy, have fun. Hope this quick tip helps you out.